Score big leads with short takes. Why YouTube Shorts are a real estate agent's secret weapon. Hey everyone, Nick Robertson here, your title insurance and real estate resource. Today, we're diving into a game changer for real estate agents, YouTube Shorts. Feeling like you're consistently battling for attention in today's market? Traditional marketing just isn't cutting it anymore. Forget those expensive ad campaigns and long, impersonal videos. People crave something different, something quick, engaging, that catches their eye in a flash. That's where YouTube Shorts come in. The power of short attention spans. Let's face it, attention spans are shorter than ever. People are bombarded with content everywhere they look. YouTube Shorts, with their 60-second limit, are the perfect solution. In just 1 minute, you can showcase stunning properties, establish yourself as a local expert, and connect with potential clients on a personal level, all while they're scrolling through their phones. But YouTube Shorts are more than just a viewing platform. They're a powerful tool for generating leads. Here's how you can start to become a short film director for your real estate business. Property spotlights. Ditch the static photos. Take viewers on a quick, dynamic tour highlighting the most captivating features of a property. Imagine sweeping drone shots of a backyard oasis or a close-up showcasing a gourmet kitchen. Use creative transitions and upbeat music to keep viewers engaged, and end with a call to action, inviting them to see more and contact you for a full tour. Local market guru. People crave knowledge. Become their trusted source by sharing valuable neighborhood insights in your shorts. Discuss recent market trends, showcase upcoming community events, or highlight hidden gems like trendy coffee shops or family-friendly parks. This positions you as a local expert they can rely on, building trust and establishing yourself as the go-to agent. Beyond the agent, beyond the suit. People want to connect with the person behind the business. Give viewers a personal touch by offering a behind-the-scenes glimpse into your life as a real estate agent. Show your passion for helping people find their dream homes, or capture the excitement of closing a deal. This humanizes your brand and makes you more relatable to potential clients. Community canvas. Real estate isn't just about buying and selling. It's about connecting people to the perfect place. Use shorts to showcase the vibrant life of the neighborhoods you serve. Highlight trendy restaurants, exciting farmers markets, or bustling shopping centers. This demonstrates the lifestyle that awaits potential buyers and creates a sense of belonging, making them feel like they can already picture themselves living there. Pro tips for creating killer shorts. Now, let's elevate your shorts from good to great. Here's some pro tips. Captivating captions. Captions are mini billboards within your short. Use clear, concise words that grab attention and complement your video. Trending tunes. Hop on the bandwagon. Use popular music to create a sense of familiarity and make your shorts more discoverable on YouTube. Calls to action. Don't be shy. Tell viewers what you want them to do, whether it's commenting on their dream home features, asking questions about the market, or contacting you for a personalized consultation. Getting started is fairly easy. Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood budget or a fancy film crew. YouTube offers tons of resources to get you started, from easy-to-use editing tools to tutorials on lighting and sound. Even your smartphone and some creativity can help you create engaging content that resonates with your audience. And here's a bonus tip. Don't let your shorts live in isolation. Link them to your website or social media profiles to capture those valuable leads. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel for more real estate insights and updates. Are you a realtor that's ready to step up your marketing and embrace the power of YouTube Shorts? Let's connect so you can start creating engaging content today and watch your business soar to new heights. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more title insurance insights along with real estate tips, tricks, and strategies.